9-minute microwave dumpling. Is that a typographical error down below? No, it's not. Let me explain. With Scottish roots on my dad's side of the family, we are great lovers of Clootie Dumplin, which is a traditional Scottish dessert pudding served with custard or a hard sauce, particularly enjoyed around the holiday season. Well, I recently asked my cousin for her shortcut version that is 9-minute microwave dumpling, and she willingly obliged. Then, may I point out, I said, you've labeled it 9-minute microwave dumping. She started chuckling and revealed that over the years she'd shared this recipe far and wide. And not only had she not noticed the typo, but no one else had ever pointed it out either. I'm now thinking that perhaps it's because it's a quick and easy dumping indeed of this and that into a microwave-safe bowl, which gives back by dumping in no time at all the most heavenly smells throughout your household, and then dumps delectably fragrant tastes onto the palate.